Hey guys, out here with Bubba. Caught a walleye on like my third cast, but didn't have the camera set up yet. That was my first ever walleye. We're fishing here today, and we'll get back to you if we catch any more. Got one. Yeah. Yep. This guy choked it, bro. Yeah, this one's smaller. Well, this is my second walleye in a pond. Got one. Oh, right there. That was so sick. Walleye. I saw him right there. Oh! He's camping out right there. Got one. Yeah. Oh, bass. Good one. Oh, pretty good guy.
That's good, buddy.
What's all this stuff on his tail here?
What is that?
That on his fin. This guy's nice and fat.
I think it's just what the spotted bass.
Hey, good little guy here. Still got eggs in him. Show what weight is.
Spotted bass. He's like messed up from like the algae, I think.
1-4.
Let me take a picture of this guy real quick.
Right. Got one? Hey, Mom. Smallmouth. That's a giant smallmouth. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Guys, Benton just caught a tank smallmouth here. I mean, not too fat, but he's a good like 18 inches.
Alright.
Largemouth? Walleye. It's a good walleye.
Yes. Yes. I don't think we're gonna get it.
Still got him? Walleye. Don't let it go down there to land it. Oh, that's a bass? Yeah, it's a bass. Don't high stick. Just bring him up.
Yeah, I'm like snap the rod.
No, it's not.
What is it?
Oh, man.
Oh, man.
Oh, something just fell down. Holy crap. Something just freaking...
I'd totally be okay with not a high. Just not for one.
Oh my god. Oh my.
You have to go
You hit like a freaking freight train.
GoPro
What
on?
in the world?
Is that on?
Yeah, it's on.
What is it?
I don't know what in the world. Oh, it's a catfish. Oh.
Why would a catfish kill that? How slow are you kicking it?
Grab it. Oh.
Bro, I heard the string. Bro, I heard the string go like this. I thought I snapped it off. I was like, oh my.
Oh, dude, that's a
failure
freaking
right
10.
there.
It's a good fish.
Wait, come on.
That's a sick pick. Fish. You got a fish, bro. I caught him right over there. Hey guys, the first time we're fishing this lake here today, we did really good. Caught catfish, walleye, smallmouth, largemouth. We got everything today. It was sick. So back to do some more content. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. That's completely my fault. I'll try to get back to it weekly now that school's out. See you guys.